Meet InfiniteTalk AI, the new game changer for creators who want to bring photos to life. This powerful AI tool transforms any still image or short video into a fully realistic talking video that syncs perfectly with audio. It's fast, incredibly natural, and designed to make professional quality content creation easier than ever. InfiniteTalk AI uses advanced motion generation to animate faces, lips, and even subtle expressions with precision. Just provide a source image or clip, pair it with any voice track, and the AI generates a seamless talking video that looks like it was filmed in camera. What makes it stand out is how naturally it handles details. The head tilts, blinks, lighting, and even body posture feel fluid and human, not robotic. This isn't another static avatar app. It's a tool that creators, marketers, and educators can use to turn simple visuals into professional talking videos without expensive cameras or complex editing. Let's walk through how it works. First, head over to InfiniteTalk AI's website. On the main dashboard, upload a source image or video. It could be a portrait, a product spokesperson shot, or even an illustrated character. Next, upload an audio file or voiceover. The platform supports all common audio formats, so anything from recorded speech to a narration track works. Once both are uploaded, click Generate. And within moments, InfiniteTalk AI processes everything to produce a high-quality, fully synced talking video.
Sometimes all it takes is a small spark of curiosity to discover something completely new, whether it's trying out a new tool, learning a new skill, or simply exploring an idea you've never thought about before.
The lips move in perfect rhythm with the speech, the facial muscles react naturally, and the transitions feel cinematic. It's that simple. One image in, one audio file in, one video out, all within minutes. To push it even further, try something more creative, like turning a digital art portrait into a speaking character for a storytelling reel or ad concept. The AI automatically adapts the motion and tone, so even stylized images look expressive and convincing. It's fascinating to see how the system preserves the art's original texture while still making it feel alive and dynamic.
I didn't eat the last cookie, but if you find it, can I have it back?
Next up is the Infinite Multi-feature, where multiple AI characters can chat with each other just like real people. You can set the personalities, pick a topic, and sit back as the conversation unfolds on its own.
I told you it's not procrastination, it's creative thinking time.
Right, and that's why your thinking time lasts 3 hours. The AI handled the flow so smoothly it felt unscripted, witty, and almost too real at moments. If you're a YouTuber or Insta creator, imagine you film your face once, then generate different versions of you talking for different topics or brands without refilming. If you're a marketer, convert a product image into a spokesperson video with your own voice in minutes. If you run courses or tutorials, easily create talking avatar videos, sales messages, or onboarding videos without heavy filming gear. Basically, you're reducing production time, increasing flexibility, and upping the output quality. InfiniteTalk AI is genuinely impressive. It's not perfect. You'll still want good source quality, clear audio, and stable backgrounds. But compared to traditional workflows, this tool moves the needle. For many creators, it's going to become a staple. Always check the license, rights, and usage terms when using another person's image or voice. Also, keep realistic expectations when you push very long-form videos yet. If you're curious to try it for yourself, here's the link again. Click, upload your image, upload your audio, and see how quickly you can produce a talking video. I'd love to hear what you create. Drop a comment or tag me when you do. That wraps up today's review of InfiniteTalk AI. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more AI tools, creator workflows, and what's possible now videos. I'm excited to see how you use this tool. The barrier to high-quality talking videos just got a lot lower. Thanks for watching. This is Uprising AI, and I'll catch you in the next one.